Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage style Cottage Home Decor Inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage style Cottage Home Decor is a cozy, charming and nostalgic interior design style that combines elements of both vintage and cottage aesthetics. Here is the breakdown of what makes it unique. Key features: use soft color palette like whites, creams, pastels, and muted earth tones. Use floral patterns and faded fabrics often used. Use vintage furniture. Use mismatched or distressed pieces with character. Antique dressers, other tables, and spindle-back chairs. Scottish comfort. Overstuffed furniture, cozy throws, and cushions. The sleep comfort sofas and room chairs in natural fabrics. Use natural materials like wood floors, wicker baskets, linen curtains, and stone or brick accents. Decorative touches. Use porcelain dishes, lace toilets, old books, and vintage mirrors. Use repurposed items like old window frames, platters, or milk jugs. Use florals and patterns. Use floral wallpaper, geckos, toil, and themes. Fabrics add to the charm. Joy and thrifted finds. Emphasize on handmade or upcycled decor. Use flower markets and antique store treasures are a big part of the look. Overall vibe: think grandma's cozy cottage with a Pinterest glow up. It is romantic, warm, and little whimsical, perfect for creating a nostalgic yet livable home. Let's dig a little deeper into vintage-style cottage home decor, covering its origins, key design principles, specific elements, and how to bring it to life in your home. Number 1. Origin and Inspiration. Vintage cottage decor draws inspiration from English countryside cottages, French country homes, American farmhouse style, and even Shabby chic aesthetics. It is rooted in simplicity, comfort, and a love of details that felt time-worn and lived in. The style evokes a sense of nostalgia, like stepping into a storybook home or a place filled with sweet memories. Number 2. Core design principles. Comfort over perfection. The look is inviting, relaxed, and a little imperfect by design. History through decor. Every piece tells a story, whether finishes, balloon antiques, and aesthetic styles are valid. Light and airy, the space should feel bright and open, often using whites and soft neutrals to reflect natural light. Mix and match. It is okay and encouraged to mix patterns, colors, and styles, as long as it maintains a cozy vibe. Number 3. Signature elements to include furniture painted with furniture with tippy paint or distressing. Roll arm sofas use clawfoot tops and discounted tables. Use vintage vanities, hutches, and biceps. floral prints, rosetted throws, and lace curtains. Snare jugs, like beaded or faded Persian styles. Squares, slip covers, and ruffled pillow shelves. Decor accessories use old clocks, rotary phones, window screens, and animal art. Use glass apple jars, candle holders, and milk glass vases. Print botanical prints or black and white family photos. Plants and flowers. Dried lavender bundles use fresh bud flowers in pictures. Spotted herbs on windowsills. Trolling effect in plastic containers. Lighting is candlelights, window sconces, and table lamps with fabric shades. Use soft ambient lighting rather than harsh overheads. Number 4. Rooms and styling tips. First, living room. Use a slip-covered sofa, quintus-covered table, and one shelving. Add a mix of print art, candles, and books for charm. Kitchen. Use open shelving or display dishware. Use butker block countertops, farmhouse sink, and apron front linens. Bedroom. Use iron bed frames or antique oak beds. Use floral quilts, layered linens, and a cozy ribbon corner. Bathrooms. Use clawfoot tubs, pedestal sinks, and baseboard walls. Add a vintage mirror and a soft cotton towels. Number 5. What to find vintage countess pages, thrift stores, estate sales, and flower markets. Online is the Facebook Marketplace and antique shops. Buy upcycled old furniture with paint and new hardware. Number 6. Emotional and lifestyle appeal. One reason this style is so loved is because it taps into sentimentality, items that remind you of childhood, grandparents, or simpler times. It is not about perfection, it is about creating a lived-in space where people feel welcome. Creativity. You get to be hands-on with upcycling and personalizing your space. Number 7. Substyles within vintage cottage decor. Depending on your taste, vintage cottage style can blend into other substyles. Shabby cottage uses quite vast furniture, lots of soft pinks, lacy accents, and romantic florals. Also elegant but faded, like a vintage friend's boudoir. Rustic counters think more natural wood from house tables and earthier tones. Pairs well with galvanized metal, jute rugs, and messengers. Coastal counters, light blues, satin bases, and nautical accents use weathered driftwood, chisels, and cotton fabrics. English sketching counters heavier use of floral themes, dark wood furniture, and layered textures, as cozy fireplaces, overstuffed chairs, and window sets. Number 8. Seasonal decorating ideas. Spring or summer, light linens, fresh cut flowers, pastel accents. Display vintage teacups, hand floral shades, and airy curtains. Fall. Bring in cozy knits, plain throws, and muted oranges or browns. Decorate with vintage copper, pumpkins, and giant flowers. Winter. Add warm lighting, antique grass, and thick textured fabrics. Decorate with vintage Christmas ornaments, evergreen garlands, and cozy candles. Number 9. Mixing vintage cottage with modern style. If you don't want to go full Cottagecore, you can blend elements for a more balanced look. Pair vintage finds with clean lines, like a modern sofa with an old wooden trunk as a coffee table. Use vintage accessories like lamps, mirrors, clocks in a neutral, modern space, so soften it. Balance soft textures, lace, floral ruffles with sleeker surfaces like marble or matte black finishes. Keep your color palette tight, like whites, shades green, and light shade, for a clean, crafted feel. Number 3. Tips for getting the look without overwhelm. Extend it on room, like a bathroom or reading nook. Choose 3 or 4 staple pieces that feel vintage: a chair, a rug, a lamp, or a mirror. Shop second-hand first. You will save money and find more unique character. Then slowly. This style is all about collecting, not rushing. Number 11. Color theory in vintage cottage decor. The color palette states about soft, cloudy, and timeless. Common colors, whites and creams, used as a base to reflect light and give a clean, open feeling. Pastels. Think dusty rose, shades green, paley blue, battery yellow, and lavender. Muted neutrals, grays, tubes, and faded browns that mimic time-worn objects. Vintage florals. These often combine multiple soft tones in on fabric or wallpaper. Pro tip: try layering several tones of the same color family to add depth without losing the softness. Number 12. Textures and materials. Layered textures are key to giving a vintage cottage space richness and soul. Essential textures, old, preferably aged or distressed, unpainted or lightly whitewashed. Linen and cotton, used for curtains, bedding, and tablecloths, soft and breathable. Wicker and rattan, great for baskets, chairs, or light fixtures. Metal, in touches of iron, brass, or tin for fixtures, triples, or wall decor. Glass and porcelain, vintage glasses, displays, and old glass bottles add delicate charm. Number 13. Sustainable and eco-friendly aspects. One of the best parts of this style, it is naturally sustainable. Reuse and upcycle. Most pieces are repurposed, thrifted, or handed down. Low-impact materials, wood, linen, and cotton, are eco-friendly and biodegradable. Timeless, often changing. You don't have to constantly redecorate. This style lasts. Number 14. Layout and flow tips. Vintage cottage decor work best when rooms feel open but cozy. And every corner has a purpose. Avoid clutter, but embrace crowded basic. Use open shelving, trays, and creators to group decor pieces together. Lead furniture floral instead of forcing everything to the walls. Let seating areas float with rugs anchoring them. Use vertical space. Hang with wall decor, big rails, floating shelves, or hanging baskets. Number 15. Creating the feeling of home. This style is not just about how it looks, it is about how it feels. Vintage cottage decor evokes warmth and comfort, nostalgia and storytelling, softness and romance, a connection to nature and the past. It is the kind of a space where you light a candle, brew a cup of tea, wrap up in a handmade quilt, and listen to rain on the window. Number 16. The philosophy behind vintage cottage decor. At its core, this style is slow and meaningful. It embraces quality over quantity, memory over modernity. Imperfect on purpose, it finds beauty in patina, chips, and faded corners, layered with love. It often evolves over time in collected items, gifts, and chipped finds. It's more than aesthetics, it is about creating a home with heart. Number 17. Where and how to source authentic pieces. If you want your cottage home to feel real and not just store-bought, here is where to look, places to shop, estate sales, and yard sales. Best for authentic treasures, especially kitchenware and linens. Flower markets and vintage fairs. You can find unique statement pieces like hats or wall art. Cheap stores. Keep a regular visit to those things change often. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.